Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're about to go for a test drive in a 1972 C-20 pickup truck. This one here's got a 402 up under the hood. I think we got power steering. AC compressor is hooked up. We'll be trying that stuff out throughout the video. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post videos on these old classics almost every day. We also do a walk around video pointing out any kind of flaws all the way around the truck, inside out and underneath. Go to maplemotors.com for finance and shipping information, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. Or join us on TikTok, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, going to check out the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Kind of checking everything out. It's all intact. A little bit faded on your visors. Definitely old school. Go ahead and start her up here. This is a cold-natured beast. Once you warm it up, it starts up perfect. But just that initial radio works. Just that initial getting her warm, you gotta sit here and hold the throttle. Trying to see if I can get the AC to kick on. I do not believe the AC works. The blower motor is working. We'll go ahead and try these wipers. They do work. Our temperature gauge is not coming up over here. We've also got another one over here that's not working. Oil pressure is moving around quite a bit. It's working. Gas tank, I'm gonna say it's working. It's a quarter tank, 21,000 miles is what it's showing on the dash. I can't stand behind that on these old classics. And the horn, you ready? It works. Let's hit the road. All right, guys, about to hit the road. We're gonna take off. Any flaws that I see, I will let you know. That's why I make these videos. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. This truck, let's see here, get us going straight down the road and see what happens. It's kind of drifting to the right. You see how it's pulling me off the road? It's got a little bit of a pull there. As far as steering goes, fairly tight. There's a little bit of slack, not very much, but it's fairly tight on this one. Brakes, they feel great. Brakes feel good. Kick down, you ready? It's hooked up. Kick down is working. And the gas gauge is floating around, giving me a good indication that it's working. It's all over that quarter tank. Hitting our turn signals here. The right side's working and the left side's working. On the dash, we also do little forms that we fill out that tell you each and every light that works and doesn't upon request. So if you wanted that done on a certain vehicle, just call us, ask us, we'll get it filled out for you. Okay, we're rolling up in this parking lot here. I'm gonna get some outside shots of this truck, and I'm also gonna do a full walk around detailed video. There's always 2 videos to each one, or each car on the lot. definitely check that out. Easiest way is just to go to the end of this one, wait for the last 30 seconds to pop up, and I'll have a link directly to the other video of this truck. All right, let's get these shots. Getting ready to take off down the road here. Everything seems pretty good. I did have a little bit of an exhaust leak coming from right up under the front of this truck here, so should be able to hear that in the drive over video. Probably sound kind of funny going over it slow. Still pulling to the right. The throttle response is nice on this one. As soon as you hit it, it takes off. It feels good. The brakes are nice and sensitive. They're set up right. The suspension's not too bad for an old pickup truck. This road right here has got a speed bump in it. We can hit it 100 miles an hour and send it. No. It'll give you a good idea on suspension, rattles, shakes, all that good stuff. I'll point it out right up here. It's right here. Wasn't too bad. Right around the corner from the lot. I'm gonna pull in, grab another car, and conclude this video. Keep these test drives rolling for you today. I got plenty of cars to do, and I've already got a lineup for next week. I will be showing y'all on Monday. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. Definitely check out for the walk around video. That way you see all the details, the scratches, chips, anything that is wrong with this truck, I will point it out. Thank y'all. Guys, go on over to maplemotors.com. Check out all of our inventory. We update every week on Mondays. You can get close to 100 detailed pictures of this vehicle and every car on the lot. We also have shipping and financing available, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. If you hit subscribe and you hit the notification bell, it'll alert you every single time I post one of these classic cars. I do appreciate y'all watching, and I want to thank y'all for sharing these videos and telling other people about them. Lots of people have been referred, and they call us telling us, hey, so-and-so told me about your site, and I'm checking it out. I appreciate that very much. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.